Hello, my name is Jack, KZ6CZ. I wanted to bring you a few things that I've learned, or tips, setting up the Inovato with HamClock. Not so much the software for HamClock, but just setting up the computer, the USB and Wi-Fi, stuff like that. What you need, what you don't, what you get, maybe what you should have bought. So let me show you through the video, and then I'll have a few comments at the end. I ordered the HamClock bundle, which you get your connectors, your power supply, your stand is in this package. We'll open that up in a little bit. Your computer and the keyboard. Now, do you really need the keyboard? I wasn't sure, but I thought it would probably make it easier. And we'll take a look at that a little bit later. Also, I did order the Wi-Fi dongle. Once again, not sure if the computer has a Wi-Fi in it, or is this actually required. So we will investigate that also. Here are your accessories that come with the HamClock. You have an extender here for your USB, that's 4 ports, your power cable, your power supply, your stand you have to quickly put together, your fan that does come with it, and your HDMI cable. Okay, when assembling the stand, you'll actually have to cut the 2 ends off the square piece here, and those will plug into a set of holes there on the side that goes together, fits nice and tight. Very well done with more likely a 3D printer. And then the fan. Airflow is outward from the seal here. Put the wiring mechanism to the back, and there'll be a slight indentation over here for the cable to come out. And now when you're putting the computer in, notice there's all air holes here and here, not on the side. You want this blue USB port to be upward. And we are going to slide that down in there, and it's very, very nice tight fit that will hold that fan in place. And then your extra USB ports. That's going to slide right down in the back and hold that cable in place like such. And that USB port is right over here for the USB jack to go into. So there, we have the unit assembled, and we can bring that up and we will install that into one of the ports. So, okay, so let's get on to the next part. The unit does come with an HDMI cable provided. My problem is that my monitors are all DVI. So at $8 Amazon, you can get an adapter cable or for whatever you need to power your monitor by. As for the keyboard, few of the videos I've watched show it with a rechargeable battery in here and a charging port out here. Mine did not come with that. I don't see any place on their website to get that unit if you want it. It does have space for 2 AAA batteries, so we installed those. I took the dongle out. That is installed in the USB for the computer, and to turn it on here, it will light up, and after 15-30 seconds it's going to turn itself off. And at first that had me worried that there was something wrong, but the blue light is still on, which means it's still powered. If you touch the keyboard, it'll light back up again and you're ready to go. So I mainly have this for making adjustments after I have everything set up, and I'll show you what I'm going to to do just an easy way to possibly set your unit up. For setting up my HamClock, I had a keyboard and mouse that worked off of a small dongle I removed from my other computer and brought it in here, and it seemed to make it a lot quicker to be able to go through than using the very small keyboard they supply. But I didn't want to keep this hooked up all the time, and that's when I'll use the smaller one just to make minor changes with HamClock. So a tip. Now you can, if you've got a keyboard and a mouse that works directly off USB, you could come and plug it in and use that to program. Hopefully this video has helped you decide what you need, either just the unit or to bundle the keyboard with it. Do you need the Wi-Fi dongle? I did not. My unit connected right with the router very easily, runs very smoothly. I have no problems. The one other tip I will pass on about HamClock that I had a problem with, and that was live spots. It was just showing me zeros for the different bands. The three things that you need to check in that box is PSK, grid, and of DE. And then the time, I've used 30 minutes. I'm not sure 15 or 1 hour is any better. I'll work on that anyway. So thank you very much for watching. The very best to you and your family. I'll say 7-3, and hopefully I'll talk to you on the air.